I'm Nicole. In this video, we're going to discuss some of the sounds you may hear when juicing, and tips on how to reduce the noise. These are some normal sounds you can hear from produce with a dry outer layer, such as apple and kale. Here are some tips to reduce the noise. If your juicer is dirty, give it a deep clean. Next, clean your produce to remove any built-up wax or residue. Additionally, always wash and dry your juicer thoroughly when finished. This can help to prevent any noises. If you have any further questions or concerns, please contact our customer service team.